Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how TypeError unsupported operand types for /NoneType and int. This error occurs when you try to perform a mathematical operation that involves a variable or value with the data type of NoneType, which represents the absence of a value. In the specific error message you provided, it seems that you are trying to divide an integer by a NoneType object using the / operator. Since division is not a defined operation for NoneType objects and integers, this raises a TypeError. To fix this error, you need to make sure that the variable you are dividing is not none. You can also check that the values you are using in your mathematical operations are of the correct data type. Here's an example of how this error might occur in Python code. When you run this type of example code, you will get this kind of error. To fix this, you can add a check for none before dividing. Now let's run this example code. Here is the output you will get.
Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos, which can help and assist you further.